John's Christmas Surprise. John was a kind boy who loved the Christmas season very much. Every December, he felt happy when he saw the bright lights, the red and green decorations, and the big Christmas tree in the town square. His family always made the house warm and cheerful, and he looked forward to the exciting moments of the holiday. One chilly December morning, John woke up early with a smile on his face. The snow had covered the ground like a white blanket, and the cold air made his cheeks rosy. He could hear soft Christmas music coming from the radio, and he felt that today would be a very special day. A few days before Christmas, John received a letter in the mail. The envelope was red and had a small gold sticker on it. The letter was from his Uncle Peter, who lived far away. In the letter, Uncle Peter wrote that he had planned a secret surprise just for John. He explained that John had to follow some clues to find the surprise, and he hoped that this adventure would make the holiday even more fun. John felt very excited and curious. He read the letter carefully and then showed it to his mother. She smiled and said, "This is a wonderful idea, John. Enjoy your adventure, and remember to be careful." With his mother's kind words in his heart, John decided that he would try to solve the clues and find the secret surprise. The next morning, John went to his small garden where his family grew flowers and vegetables. The letter had said that the first clue was hidden near a big tree. John looked at the tree and noticed a red ribbon tied to one of its low branches. He climbed carefully and found a small envelope attached to the ribbon. Inside the envelope, there was a note that read, "Your first clue is under the shining star." John was happy, but he felt a little confused. He looked around, trying to understand what the shining star could mean. John thought for a moment and then remembered that the Christmas lights on his house looked like small stars. He walked back to the house and looked at the roof where a bright light shone. There, he saw a tiny star decoration that he had not noticed before. Beneath the star, on a wooden shelf, he found a small wooden box with a lock on it. John's heart beat fast as he wondered how to open the box. The note did not give the key to the box, so John looked for another clue. The letter mentioned that the next clue would help him find the key. John sat on the steps and read the next part of Uncle Peter's letter. It said, "The key is hidden near the sound of merry bells." John remembered that his father kept a small bell on the mantelpiece in the living room. He ran to the living room and looked carefully around the bell. After a short search, he found a tiny, shiny key tucked behind the bell. John felt proud of himself. He took the key and returned to the wooden box on the shelf. With trembling hands, he put the key in the lock and turned it slowly. The lock clicked open, and the box opened too. Inside, John found a small toy train and a Christmas card. The card said, "This train is a symbol of your hard work and curiosity. May it remind you that every journey is full of surprises. Merry Christmas, John." John held the toy train in his hand and smiled widely. The train was painted in bright colors and had little wheels that could move along a small track. It was not a very big toy, but it was very special because it came with a secret adventure. John felt that the adventure was more important than the toy itself, and he decided to enjoy every moment of his Christmas surprise. Later that day, John sat with his family in the cozy living room. The room was decorated with candles, garlands, and many ornaments. His father said, "John, Today you have shown great courage and cleverness by following the clues and finding your surprise." His mother added, "Christmas is not only about gifts. It is about learning, loving, and sharing happiness with those around us." John listened carefully and felt his heart fill with warmth. That evening, the family gathered around the dinner table. They enjoyed a delicious meal with turkey, mashed potatoes, and sweet vegetables. As they talked, John shared his adventure with his younger sister, Anna, who listened with wide eyes. He explained how he found the red ribbon, discovered the star clue, and finally opened the wooden box. His story made everyone smile, and even his grandparents were proud of his determination and smart thinking. After dinner, John and his family sat by the fireplace. The soft glow of the fire and the gentle sound of Christmas songs made the room feel magical. John thought about the clues he had solved and the lessons he had learned. He realized that Christmas was not just about receiving gifts. It was also about the joy of discovery and the love that connects family members. The next morning, on Christmas Day, John woke up feeling even happier than before. The house was quiet and peaceful, and the snow outside made everything look pure and new. John remembered his secret adventure and took his toy train to his room. He placed it on his small table and looked at it with admiration. To him, the toy train was a reminder of his adventure and the exciting day he had experienced. John's surprise had taught him many important things. He learned that every challenge has a solution if you are brave and curious. He also learned that the best gifts are those that help us grow and learn about the world. With a happy heart, he promised himself that he would always look for the beauty in simple things and be ready for new adventures. In the afternoon, John's family went to the town center to see the big Christmas tree and the beautiful lights. The streets were filled with people who smiled and greeted each other with kindness. John walked slowly, enjoying the decorations and the joyful sounds of the holiday. He felt that the entire town was celebrating together, and that made him feel part of a large, happy family. At the town center, John stopped to look at the large tree decorated with shiny ornaments and twinkling lights. He remembered the shining star clue from his adventure and thought about how every clue had a hidden meaning. The tree, like his adventure, was full of surprises and beauty. John felt that his Christmas surprise was a small part of a much bigger story, a story of love, hope, and togetherness. As the day came to an end, John sat by the window and looked at the night sky. The stars shone brightly, and he remembered the star on the roof that had led him to his surprise. He thought about the clues, the key, the box, and the toy train. John felt grateful for the adventure that had taught him so much about patience, curiosity, and the true spirit of Christmas. John's Christmas surprise was a story that he would always remember. It was not just about finding a small toy, but about learning that every day can be full of wonders if we keep our hearts open. Every time he saw a red ribbon or a shining star, he remembered the adventure and the important lesson that life is an exciting journey, and every challenge brings us closer to happiness and love. In the years that followed, John told his story to his friends, his classmates, and even his teachers. He explained how he had solved the clues and discovered the special surprise. His story was simple and clear, and it helped others to understand that hard work and a kind heart are the best gifts of all. John's Christmas adventure became a symbol of hope and curiosity for everyone who heard it. John learned that Christmas is a time for sharing and caring, and that every day can hold a surprise if we are brave enough to look for it. His adventure showed him that small clues can lead to great lessons, and that the true magic of Christmas is found in the love we share with family and friends. Merry Christmas to all, and may your days be filled with surprises, joy, and love.